Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a few items here that I picked up at local estate auctions, and one item is from the flea market. So here's what we got. You picked up some Craftsman crow's foot wrenches. Got a 1-inch, 9/16 half, and a 7/16. I think I paid like $2 a piece for those. Pretty good deal. And I got this Craftsman. It's a metric ignition wrench set. 43443 is the part number. And then I got this. They're like mini box wrenches, ignition set 4379. These are hard to find. Probably worth just as much as that 10-piece set. Then I also got these two Craftsman adjustable wrenches. Got a 6 and an 8-inch, 44602 and 44603. These are pretty desirable. Don't know what makes them so special, but they go for quite a bit more money than a regular Craftsman. If you know the reason. I don't know if they're thinner or what the deal is, but they're a little more valuable than their regular ones. Okay, then I got these set of line wrenches. Three-piece flare nut wrench set. See them there with the cases. Pretty filthy. Have to clean it up. That's set 4433. And I got this Craftsman pry bar ladyfoot. It's a BV series, 42892. Never had that before. The tip is a little bit bent on it, but I don't think that's really going to matter. Kind of a rare piece there. I picked up this 3/8 long handle Craftsman, part number VL series 44833, made in the USA, 3/8 drive. A lot of guys seeking that ratchet, so if you see those guys, always grab them. Some guys call this the Craftsman professional ratchet. It doesn't say professional on it, but I guess when the package came, that's what it said. So here's something. I always pick up these 1/4-inch drive sets. The sockets in here are plumb. Not sure about the finish on here, but this ratchet is a Craftsman Long C BE series, 1/4-inch drive. It does work. So I don't know. I never saw this type of finish, or if that's just from years sitting with oil on it or something, and sitting in the desert air. But that was kind of a nice pickup. And the last thing I got is this Easco. I made a short for this. New old stock, part number 92311. SAE wrench set. I know, where do you find stuff like that? I guess at the flea market. So for this I paid $20. This little set here was $4. This ratchet I paid $14. This pry bar was $5. This was $5. These two Craftsman adjustable wrenches were $4 each. This set I paid $8, and this set I paid $10. And like I said, these were $2 a piece. I had the holder. I think it's actually a snap-on. Yeah, there it is, snap-on. But I have several of these. So that's what we got this week, guys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And until the next time, you guys all have a great week. Thank you.